Welcome to this two-bedroom townhouse for sale in Port Alfred, South Africa for R545,000. This freehold home has 2 bedrooms, with built-in cupboards and a full bathroom upstairs, and an open-plan living area and kitchen, as well as a guest loo downstairs. A communal swimming pool is an attraction for those who like to cool off in summer. Wildlife, such as guinea fowl, duiker, and the rare oribi, can be observed within meters of the boundary fence. An attractive garden and lovely views round this unit off perfectly. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.